The Literacy Center of West Michigan would like to take a moment to say thanks to our friends and contributors for helping us bring about a just and vibrant West Michigan through the power of literacy. Hello, my name is Quiana, and I'm a literacy coordinator in the adult tutoring program at the Literacy Center of West Michigan. And in this video, I will be furthering our discussion on a free resource available to active tutors to enhance their face-to-face or virtual tutoring session. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up from where we last left off, and that's exploring Google Docs. If you would recall from our introductory video, Google Docs is a syncing, sharing, editing feature, a part of Google that allows people to collaborate in real time on one single document. This feature is free, though you do need a Google account in order to have access to this. And if you have a smartphone and not a computer or not a PC or a Mac, you still should be able to download this app on your phone and utilize Google Docs. So, the feature that I'm very much interested in talking to you about today deals specifically with voice. And with your Google Doc, open here, this is our own page. I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize your voice and voice scripts to enhance your lesson. So today you want to go ahead and start with a blank document. And just like I did, I went ahead and have my blank document. I've already shared this document with my learner. You can tell because there's a cursor here that has their name there. But then for this example, I'm just using a specific different account to show you that you will know if your learner is looking at your page, because their little icon will pop up right here for you to see. And wherever their cursor is at on the page, you should be able to follow along. So once you have shared your document with your learner, once you have named your document, you can go ahead and start using the feature I want to talk to you now. And the feature is called Voice Script. Okay? Voice Script is going to allow you to utilize your voice in order to type out anything you want on the screen. And this is all because of dictation. Dictation is the action of saying words out loud to be recorded, comma, written down, comma, or in today's case, typed out, full stop. It is a great listening and writing activity face-to-face, but today I want to show you voice script so you and your learner can have a dialogue back and forth without being in the same room and be able to read in time what is being said, full stop. New paragraph. Text color blue. What's really great about this is that you simply need to have your microphone on so that your computer can listen to your voice, and then you just have the document open. Obviously, you want to be able to have voice script on, period. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn it on, which is super easy, full stop. Stop listening. So to turn on voice script, what you need is to go to Tools, go to Voice Typing, and simply click it. All right, now I clicked it off because I have had it open already, but if you go ahead and do it again, there it is. Just this little dialog box right here. As soon as you click this box and start clearly speaking into the mic, instantaneously your words will appear across the screen. Now, as you can see, it's not foolproof. There are some misspelled words. There's some things that doesn't really make sense depending on your pronunciation, which makes this activity great because your learner will need to be able to say the words clearly and pronounce them in order for them to show up on the screen. Now, you can go into the screen and type out or erase or autocorrect, and that's no problem. So that's it. That's pretty much all voice script is. It will allow you to talk to your learner via Google Docs. It will show up directly onto their screen, whatever you say on their end, and whatever they say will show up on your screen. Now there's a lot of prompts and a lot of voice commands. And so I just want to list a couple of them for you here. Obviously you have your comma and your periods and your full stops. But in order to go to a new paragraph, all you have to say is new paragraph. As you can see, I was able to change the color of the text to blue, and you can also just say see all voice commands if you are interested in knowing all the voice commands available to you. Now, some possible activities that you can do with your learner with this voice script feature is practice conversation, informal conversation. Create dialogue for certain scenarios where you can be the color blue and then your learner can be the color red in your text speech. Or you can just write a simple story together. The possibilities are unlimited. So we encourage you to play around and explore this feature with your learner. If you have any questions at all or any further tips you want to share with us, you can do so by contacting your literacy coordinator. Well, that's all I have for you today. I really appreciate you sticking with me and diving into Google Docs. Stay tuned for further videos exploring other free features available to you as we continue our exploration of our free resources. Good luck and study hard.